Hello friends, this is Sai Prakash. In this video, I would like to do you a problem which I have given you in the group. So, coming to the problem, here we have 4 resistances connected in the series. And connected to a battery of 12 volts. Okay? Here each resistance is having equal resistance of 3 ohms. So, this is 3 ohms and this is 3 ohms resistance and this is 3 ohms resistance and this is 3 ohms. Okay, so for this problem I have to find the voltages at the points. This is point A, point B, point C and point D. According to this question, I have to find the voltage at point A, voltage at point B, voltage at point C and voltage at point D. Okay, for this I am doing right now. Okay, coming to the voltage at point A, whenever you want to find the voltage at a specified point, that means at point A or point B, C or D, you have to know the reference point, that is ground or the negative terminal of this circuit. Okay, so with respect to point A and negative terminal, how much the voltage is there, we have to find that, so that you will get the voltage at this point. So by seeing this, you can see there is no voltage drop at these wires. So the voltage at point A, that is VA, will be of 12 volts. Okay. So for the better understanding of point B voltage, point C voltage and point D voltage, I am finding the current and as well as the voltage drop across each resistances, so that it would be more convenient and easy for you. Okay. So for finding the current, we know I is equivalent to V by R. As we have 4 resistance connected in the series, we have to take R as R equivalent. So I equal to V by R equivalent. As these 4 resistances are connected in series, we know R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4. R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4. Okay friends? Here each one is having same resistances. So I am taking that as 3 into 4 for the easy process. So I have got 12 ohms. I have taken here 3 cross 4 because 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Adding 4 times 3 is equivalent to multiplication of 3 cross 4. Okay? So that I have taken like this, 3 cross 4 equal to 12. I have got equivalent resistance of 12 ohms for this circuit. So for finding the current, we know the voltage as well as the R equivalent. So voltage is of 12 volts and the R equivalent is of 12 ohms. So we will get the total current of 1 amperes which is flowing through this circuit. Okay? Current will start from positive terminal and follow like this, form a closed path and end at the negative terminal. Okay, and coming to the resistances, this will be the sign of the voltage drops. Okay, drop at the first resistance, that is across AB terminals or first 3 ohm resistor is equivalent to current into resistance of that resistance. So voltage at VAB or voltage at first 3 ohm resistance is equivalent to current flowing through that resistance into resistance of that resistance. So we have got 3 volts. As here we have got equivalent resistance, the voltage drop across each resistance will be of same. So I am taking VAB is equivalent to V2, V3 and V4. Okay. VAB is equivalent to V2, that is equal to V3, that is equal to V4. Where V2 is voltage drop across second resistance, V3 is voltage drop across third resistance, where V4 is voltage drop across fourth resistance. So we have got the voltage drops. Here we have got 3 volts drop, and here we have got 3 volts drop, and here we have got 3 volts drop. Here also we have got 3 volts drop. Friends, if you have to find the voltage at point B, let me take as VB. Okay. So the applied voltage is of 12 volts. With respect to the reference, I am taking this. So I have to take the voltage drop from here to here with respect to the reference, because the voltage drop is already there over here. So I cannot take the total applied voltage is equivalent to VB over here. So I have to either subtract 12 volts with 3 volts, or I have to simply add up 3 plus 3 plus 3. So I will get the VB. So I am subtracting 12 volts from 3 volts. I have got VB of 9 volts. Like that, apply the same for voltage up across C and negative terminal, or voltage at C and voltage at D. I am taking voltage at C as VC. For this, just add up these voltages so that it will take the voltage drop across this terminal to negative terminal. Whenever we have to find the voltage, we have to take the reference place, that is negative terminal. So VC will be of 3 plus 3, that is 6 volts. Coming to the VD, VD is of 3 volts. This is because the whole 9 volts from the source has been dropped over here. So only 3 volts will be dropped across 3 ohm resistance, that is fourth resistance. So VD is of 3 volts. Okay friends, I hope you all understand this problem. If you like the video, please do like, share and comment for the video. Please click on bell icon for more updates. Subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts regarding this problem, please comment in the comment box, or you can use the group link in the description below. Thanks for watching the video, friends.